A, B, K, D, E, G, I, J, K, O, N, A, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel English EduConnect. Today, we're diving into a topic that can revolutionize how we teach the English alphabet. Instead of just memorizing letter names, let's focus on the sounds that make. It's a new approach that lays a solid foundation for language learning. So, grab your notepads, and let's explore the power of teaching the alphabet through sounds. I am damn sure that after watching this video you feel that it's necessary to teach alphabet sounds. You know that the English alphabet are 26. But do you know how many sounds these alphabet make? Let me tell you, there are 44 sounds. English is a non-phonetic language. But I am not going to tell you about phonetics. Throughout this video you will notice how different combinations of consonants and vowels produce different sounds. You will be thrilled to know that, for example, one sound like SH, we have 11 different combinations, and there are innumerable such cases. Watch this video till the end.
A, B, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z.
B, L, Bl. Bl is a consonant blend, as in block. Bl, o, k, block. Bl, a, k, black. Bl is a consonant blend. Bl as in blend. Bl, e, n, d, blend. Bl, e, d, bleed. E as a digraph.
When letters C and L are together, we read them quickly as kill. It is called a consonant blend. Kill or k, clock. Kill a k, click. Kill a k, cluck. Kill a p, clap. Kill a p, clip. Kill out, cloud. Kill own, clown. Kill if, clef. Kill ing, cling. When letter F and L are together, we read them quickly as fill. This is called a consonant blend. Fill, ok, flock. Fill, ek, flick. Fill, ep, flip. Fill, op, flop. Fill, at, flat. Fill, flung. Fill, I, fly. Fill, you, flew. Fill, o, flow. Fill, own, flown. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and to get the
op, chomp, ch, ip, chip, ch, r, ar, t, chart, ch, arr, charm, ch, air, ear, chair, church, church.
The letter X can be pronounced with two consonants, a sequence of consonants, k and s, k as in cake and s as in sun, x as in excuse, exercise, expect, exceed, expand, execute. If pronouncing those two consonants one after another is challenging for you, just move around between the two consonants, k, s, and then gradually try to connect them. Expect. Make it seem like it's one sound. Expect.
Consonant blends. Consonant blends not only help in reading fluency, but also helps in pronunciation. Today we are going to talk about the blend sn. Some of the words you can take up are snip, snap, snack, sneeze, snake, snail, snow, snatch. You can take reading of these words as per the knowledge of the child. Let me know some more words with this blend in the comment section, and bye-bye.
Let's learn the sound S, as in sun. S, as in snake. S, as in snail. S, as in spider. S, as in stick. S, as in stone. S, as in spoon.
Let's have a look at this spelling and the 7 different ways we can pronounce it. So let's start with some words you've probably seen before. Some irregular verbs in the past. If we add a T to this spelling, the sound is like this. Ought, bought, fought. Maybe you've seen this word before. This word is pronounced cough, off, cough. Now we also have uff, rough, tough, enough. Next up we had o, although, dough. The 5th example of how we can pronounce this spelling is oo, through. Sometimes it can be pronounced as the schwa sound, thorough. Finally, ow. This place in England is pronounced slough.
The letter C has 2 sound. One is ka, and another one is sa. Let's see in which cases the letter C gives ka sound and sa sound. For example, the letter C has ka sound in cat comb, cut. So, the letter C gives ka sound when it's followed by vowels like A, O, U, and consonants like L, R. For example, class, craft. The letter C gives sa sound when it's followed by vowels like E, li, and also a semi-vowel like Y. For example, center, city, cycle. Please subscribe. S sound when C is followed by E, I, Y. Cease, ceiling, celebrate, sell, cement, censor, censure, centimeter, center, century, certain, certificate, cigarette, Cinderella, cinema, circle, circulation, circus, city, citizen, civil, citrus, citation, cistern, cyan, cyber, cycle, cyclone, cylinder, cynical, cyst. K sound in all other cases. Cat, cab, catch, cashew, clinch, clinic, climb, closet, cloth, cloud, cluster, coal, coach, coffee, code, college, comic, complex, condition, concert, constant. Please subscribe this channel for more content like this. The letter C gives some other sounds. Let's see what are they. The letter C, along with H, that is CEH, gives sounds like cha, as in chapter, chicken, sha, sound as in chef, champagne, chauffeur. Lastly, ka as in chemistry, chemical, Christmas, Christ, chronic, chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.
Homographs, homonyms, and homophones. Do you know the difference? Well, homographs are words with the same spelling but a different meaning and pronunciation, like minute and minute, live and live, wind and wind. Homonyms, though, have the same spelling and pronunciation but different meanings. Words like ring, ring the bell, and ring that you put on your finger. Park and park, park the car or play at the park. Right and right, turn right or right number. Homophones have the same pronunciation but have a different spelling and meaning, like I as in me and I, yeah, and also our and hour, hours belonging to us and hour the time, and sight and sight and sight.
Two consonants, when put together, give a new sound, S plus C. This combination has two different sounds, sk as in scarlet, s as in science. Now, sk sound is used when vowel sounds like a, o, oo, and ow, as in scarlet, scarf, scare, scatter, scavenger, scarp, scope, scout, scoop, scold. S sound when a C is followed by vowel sounds like a, e, and I. For example, scene, scenario, sceptical, scent, sciatica, science, cyan, scintillating. And please comment in the comment box how do you pronounce the last word SCYTHE as scythe or sky. Please subscribe this channel for more content like this. Thank you.
Brr. Brr. A. Sh. Brush. Brr is a consonant blend and sh is a digraph. Or th. Broth. Brr. Consonant blend and th is a digraph. Broth.
Brr.
Did you understand the difference between consonant blend and digraphs? Brr. Brain. In consonant blend, we can hear the individual sounds like b and are clearly heard. But here, A and E. We cannot hear. They together make a new sound A. Brr. A. So A is a digraph.
Bring.
9 digraphs for sh sound. Number 1, sh, shop. Number 2, ch, chef. Number 3, ti, action. Number 4, ci, special. Number 5, ce, ocean. Number 6, si, mansion. Number 7, s, sugar. Number 8, ss, tissue. Number 9, sch, schedule. Please comment in the comment box if you know more letter combinations. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.
9 different letter combinations or blendings gives the sh sound, as in fish, sh as in sheep, shop, ship, ch as in chef, chandelier, champagne, ti, as in nation, motion, station, ci, as in special, social, musician, ce, as in ocean, si, as in excursion, mansion, s as in sugar, sure, ss as in tissue, permission, sch as in
9 different letter combinations that give the sound of sh. Number 1, sh. Number 2, ch. Number 3, ti. Number 4, ci. Number 5, ce. Number 6, si. Number 7, s. Number 8, ss. Number 9, sch. Number 1, sh for shop. Number 2, ch for chef. Number 3, ti for action. Number 4, ci for special. Number 5, ce for ocean. Number 6, si for mansion. Number 7, s for sugar. Number 8, ss for tissue. Number 9, sch for schedule, sometimes schedule in American English. If you know more letter combinations, please comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching this, and please subscribe this video. 9 digraphs for sh sound. Number 1, sh, shop. Number 2, ch, chef. Number 3, ti, action. Number 4, ci, special. Number 5, ce, ocean. Number 6, si, mansion. Number 7, s, sugar. Number 8, ss, tissue. Number 9, sch, schedule. Please comment in the comment box if you know more letter combinations. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.
Sometimes learning vowel sounds can be a little bit tricky. I have the easiest way that I love to teach vowel sounds with actions. Let's go. A, e, a.
Hello. So the sound for today is U and V. U. Umbrella. Umbrella. Sound of V. Violin. Violin. Umbrella. V. Violin.
The next alphabet is E. The sound of E is eh. Egg. 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 Okay, so being primary teachers, and if you want to teach jolly phonics, then you have to make a fool out of yourself. So be prepared for that and always keep a smile on your face.
Hi everyone, let's learn the sound of this letter today. The sound is I. Ink. Igloo. India. Insect. It's not I, it's I.
Oi, as in oil. 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 Oi, as in boil. Oil. Boil. Oi as in spoil. Sp. Oil. Spoil. Sp is a consonant blend. In consonant blend, we can hear the individual sounds clearly. Like in sp, we can hear s and p, both the sounds clearly. We are just saying them little faster. Whereas aim. A is a digraph. Digraphs are 2 letters and 1 sound. S. A. Snail. A is a digraph.
O. As in orange. As in ox. As in onion. As in ostrich. As in otter. P.
A as in paint. Paint. A as in rain. Rain. A as in grain. Grain. Ow. Cow. Ow is a digraph. Alternate spelling of the digraph ow. OW can make 2 sounds. O as in snow, glow, or ow as in cow, how. Follow us to learn more about phonics. Digraph O sound. O as in boat. B-o-t, boat. O as in oak. O-k, oak. O as in goat. G-o-t, goat. O as in coat. K-o-t, coat. O as in soap. S-o-p, soap. O as in foam. F-o-m, foam. O as in road. R-o-d, road. Tenth. Thick. Follow us to learn more about phonics.
Hi everyone! We all know that SH makes the sound sh, 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 like in the words ship, fish, mushroom, etc. But what about the words like ocean, tissue, and lotion? They do have the sh sound, but not SH. Want to know more about this? Read the caption below.
Cow. How many sounds are there in cow? K, ow, cow. Only 2 sounds. K, ow, cow. Ow is a digraph. Alternate spelling of digraph O. Sheep. Sheep. Only 3 sounds. Sh, E and P. Sh and E are digraphs. A as in paint. 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 A as in rain. In. Rain. A as in grain. In. Grain. In some words, EA makes a long E sound, like in the words see, e, see. Each, beach, or dream. In some words, EA makes a short vowel sound eh, like in bread. 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 Head. Head. Health. Can you find some more words with the long and short E sounds and write them in the comments? Aim. A is a digraph. Digraphs are 2 letters and 1 sound. S. Snail. A is a digraph. Oh, look at those cute ducks swimming in the pond. How do we read duck? D-A-K. C and K together make only one K sound. Can you repeat after me? D-A-K. Duck. A-K. Rock. C and K together make only one K sound. P-A-N-D. Pond.